Hello beta testers, this is Lori and this is a walkthrough of the Drip Designer tool. So the first thing that you do when you get to this tool, and notice up here the URL for the beta test is drip.loripalmquist.com. It's up here. And when you click the link that I sent you in the email, then what you're going to do is click login on this first screen and then put in your login credentials that I gave you and then just click login. So then this is the home page, and that's what I call it throughout the tool is home. And we have projects, we have plant search and my lists. Now there are various things in plant search and my lists which I'm not going to go over right now in these videos. The videos really just basically show you how to use the tool. And I do want to point you to down here on the bottom, there's going to be a page that these videos will be on, and you can access them from this home page. All right, so then the first thing you want to do is go to My Projects. And when you get to your projects page, you won't see anything there. There won't be any projects. Of course, this is mine and I have several projects going already. So let me go ahead and minimize this browser, and I'd like to show you the project that I'm going to be processing through this for you in this video. And this is basically, well, not basically, this is the project that I showed you in the class that we had on Wednesday and on Saturday at the Urban Farmer Store. So this is the project I will be processing. And you'll notice that I've got the landscape plan here. And then I have the areas or the hydrozones really delineated in the red lines here, and I've noted the square footages of each of these areas. And so this is a process that I do. Really, it's the first thing I do when I get a landscape plan is I delineate the areas and get the square footages of them. So what I'm going to do is I'll bring the browser back here, and see I have my plant list here, and let's see, so I'm going to show you how to create a project. So what you do is you type in the project name, and I'm going to call this example project or example residence. And this will be in Berkeley. All right, and when I click continue, that takes me to this brand new project on the plant list page. So now what I want to do is input all of my plants in this project, in this landscape plan. So starting with the first plant in the list here, I have it so that I can see the list and the sheet, the Drip Designer plant list at the same time. So all I need to do is start typing in the botanical name, and I type in ACH, and it brings up auto completion, so it makes it easier for me to find the actual plant. I click on the plant, and then I either click on Add Plant to List or hit Return or Enter on my keyboard. So I'm going to go ahead and put in all of the plants. Next one is Agonis. I click it and I hit Return on the keyboard. The next one is Arctostaphylos. And again, you only have to start typing in the word. And this is Arctostaphylos emerald carpet. Press Return on the keyboard. And let's see, so Bouteloua is the next one, B-O-U-T, and we've got that. All right, Buddleia, Davidii, we've got that. Now that I have my plant list all ready to go, I can go to either the point source drip worksheet or the line source drip worksheet, and they are up top here. I'm going to note here that the plants that you input for any project will be entered into your master plant list. So that means that you don't have to enter your plants for every single project. What you can do is when you create a project, you can go to your master plant list, and here I'm clicking on mine and going to my master plant list. You see I have 306 plants on my master plant list, and these are all plants that I've used throughout all of my projects. So then I can just come here and I can populate this new project from the master plant list. So I didn't do that in this case, but that's something that you can end up doing so that you don't have to keep entering your plants into every project. Okay, so let's go back to the project here, back to the plant list page, and I'm going to end this video here. And in subsequent videos, I will be covering the point source page and the line source page for the drip worksheets. Okay, bye-bye. Well, here I am again, and that's because I realized that I forgot to explain to you how to both remove a plant from a plant list and exactly how to add plants from your master plant list to a project. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and delete this achillea here, and all you have to do is click Remove Plant. So you see the achillea is now gone from the list. So I'll go over to my master plant list now, and I've got that achillea there. Here it is right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click Select for this project, and then click this Add button, floating free. And now it takes me back to my plant list, and voila, there's the Achillea millefolium again. Okay, that's good for now.